residency through marriage has significant advantages, but it's also one of the petitions that receives the most scrutiny from the Immigration Service. There are four major factors that are generally crucial to whether or not a marriage petition will be successful. The first is the economic situation of the couple. The second is the age. The third is the family background. And the fourth is their language and culture. The economic situation of the couple is the most important for the success of the marriage, which means it's the most important for the success of a marriage petition. If a couple is not able to adequately support themselves, then they will find significant problems in their relationship, and the Immigration Service will have many questions about whether or not it was a valid marriage or a marriage that was entered into for the purpose of receiving residency. The second factor that is reviewed is the age of the individuals. It's important that there be a reasonable age range. If individuals are separated significantly by age, it can create significant problems in the relationship and can also raise questions with immigration officers as to the validity of the relationship. The third, and one of the most important factors, is the marital and family circumstances of the individual. If an individual has had several prior marriages, then it will be more difficult to demonstrate that this marriage that they have entered into is a marriage that is entered into for the right purposes. The other part of that is the family circumstances, how many children the individuals have, how many children they have outside of the marriage, and what are the ages of the children. Children always play an important factor in our relationships, and they can also create obstacles for individuals who are entering into a relationship. And the Immigration Service will study carefully the factors surrounding children that have been born outside of the relationship. The fourth factor is language and culture. Communication is essential to any relationship, and so it is vital that individuals who are married and applying for residency are able to communicate well and they share a common language. Similarly, culture is equally as important. It's vital that the individuals have cultural compatibility, because this will be extremely important to the success of the marriage, and if it's important to the success of the marriage, it's vital to the success of the immigration petition. For more information about marriage-based green cards and the documentation required, please visit our bilingual website at FitzGeraldImmigration.com. If you're in the Massachusetts or New England area and want assistance preparing your marriage residency petition from one of our experienced Boston immigration lawyers, please contact our office to schedule an appointment at 617-303-0006.